Ever wondered why an apple falls from a tree straight down and not sideways? Or how cars move and planes fly? Welcome to the intriguing world of physics. It's an essential tool that helps us understand the universe and the principles governing it. From the simple act of tossing a ball to the complex mechanisms of our modern gadgets, physics is at play. These questions and many more can be answered with the help of two fundamental branches of physics, known as kinematics and dynamics. Kinematics, in simple terms, is the study of motion without considering its causes. Imagine you're watching a car speeding down a highway or an apple falling from a tree. Kinematics is what allows us to describe these motions, regardless of why they're happening. Now, there are three main ingredients in the recipe of kinematics. First, we have position, which is simply where something is. If we say a car is 5 miles down the road, that's position. Next, we have velocity, or how fast something is moving and in what direction. If that same car is moving at 30 miles per hour towards the city, that's velocity. Lastly, we have acceleration, or how the velocity is changing over time. If the car starts speeding up, it's accelerating, so kinematics helps us understand how and why objects move. But what about the forces that cause this motion? That's where dynamics comes in. Dynamics, on the other hand, deals with the study of forces and why they cause motion. Now, that sounds like a mouthful, but let's break it down. It's all about understanding why things move the way they do. Consider this. When you kick a football, it sails through the air, right? But why? That's where dynamics comes in. The force of your foot, the mass of the ball, and even the air resistance all play a part in determining how the ball moves. And what about gravity? We all know that what goes up must come down. But why is that? It's because of a force pulling us towards the earth. That's gravity for you. From the simple act of kicking a football to the complex workings of gravity, dynamics helps us understand the world around us. It opens up a world of understanding about why things move the way they do. And that, in a nutshell, is what kinematics and dynamics are all about. So, to wrap things up, we've journeyed through the fascinating world of physics, exploring the intricate mechanisms of kinematics and dynamics. These branches are not just academic concepts, but powerful tools that help us make sense of our everyday experiences. From the simple act of an object falling due to gravity to the complex motion of vehicles, kinematics and dynamics underpin it all. Next time you see an apple fall from a tree or a car zoom past you, remember, it's all physics at work.